My name is Justin Top, and I was recently accepted into the Cannes Film Festival in France. I started my film journey at Pleasant Valley High School's film class House of Blue. Here, I was able to make industry connections and also compete at the national level in Georgia. After this, I knew I wanted to keep challenging myself, so I moved to the biggest industry yet, Hollywood. Here, I attend film school and I'm pursuing a degree in cinematography. Now, I'm ready for my biggest journey yet, the Cannes Film Festival. This festival is closed to the public and houses some of the biggest names in the industry. Whether it's A-list celebrities or some of the biggest studios in Hollywood, everyone goes here to sell their movie. Being proud of where I come from, I'm making it a personal goal to establish as many relationships and connections as possible, and hopefully, kickstart my career in the industry. With your donation, you will help pay for food, stay, and travel of the whole trip. I want to thank the American Pavilion for giving me this opportunity, and let's show Cannes what Butte County is made of. Thank you.